How to permanently delete Facebook page. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to permanently delete a Facebook page. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to the account that manages the page. And here, once you are inside the Facebook, what you can do is you can just tap on the three dash icon shown in the top left corner of the screen. And now here, from the pop-up menu at the top, just under your name, you'll see all the pages that your account handles. So from there, you can just select the page that you want to delete. And here, once you tap on it, you'll be switched to that particular page. And now here, once you are inside your page, then what you can do is you can just tap on the three dash icon shown in the top left corner of the screen. And now here, from the pop-up menu, just tap on settings and privacy. And after that, you can just tap on settings. And now here, once you are inside the settings, what you can do is you can simply scroll down and there you can just tap on access and control. And now here in this section, what you can do is you can just select delete page, and after that you can just tap on continue. And after that you can just select a reason for the deletion of the Facebook page, and after that you can just go on tapping continue. And once you're done with everything, at last you have to enter your password. So here, just enter your password, and once you do it, you can just tap delete page to confirm. And with that, Facebook usually gives you a grace period like 30 days, and during this time you can cancel the deletion if you change your mind. And here, once the 30 days have been passed in, your Facebook page will be deleted. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.